This 2024 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 22 MLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 26 feet 10 inches in length and features a Driftwood interior, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, external shower, spare tire kit, Slideout, DVD player, Skylight, water heater, smoke detector, awning, air conditioning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 22 MLS is 5,887 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.